Hi there, Greensy here, and today we're going to go through and we're going to use LampStack to create a password generator. Now, if you're unfamiliar with LampStack, LampStack is Linux, Apache, MySQL, and PHP, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and jQuery. I am choosing that because that is how I learned to program. You could use a modern method and a modern tool stack to go through and create the same application. Different ways about it, but I'm going to teach you a simple way. Let's see if we can get this done relatively quickly. So I've already went through. I've got my local server running over here. I've also went through and I've got a folder created for our password generator. So let's go through. Tell ChatGPT. So what we're going to do is we want to create a password generator. We want it to have variable lengths, and we also want it to be able to use symbols, different accents, anything you may use in a password. The features, one of the benefits of using this within, your development atmosphere is, you don't have to go through out onto the internet and find a tool that, does this. You can now host this locally. So if you wanted to, you could go through and take this, expand it. You could actually, create a, user section, a login section to where you manage your passwords. You essentially create your own password manager. Today we're going to keep it simple, and I'm just going to show you how to get it going with a basic setup. So let's go. All right, so we're going to go to chat. We're going to tell chat what we want to do. Say, chat, create a word generate that uses symbols and figures. Begin. Chat's going to go through features, choose password, upper, lower, number, symbol, character. E. Go through, do simple UI. Keep it simple. See, it's going to go through and it's going to break down the structure. So we'll have an index.php file, we'll have a style.css file. Go through, we'll let chat do that. What I am going to do, code here, I'm going to create a new folder. Go through, create a folder for CSS, and we're going to go back to chat, generating, good deal. Copy that PHP. What we're going to do is we're going to name this file index.php. New file in our directory, index.php. Paste that in. Save it, back, and do our style sheet here. Style.css. Through, it's got our output, a button, our labels, form, a header, container at container. Go through, we'll copy that. Back to VS Code here. Inside our CSS folder, we're going to create a new file, style.css. I have to go back to index.php because when we created that folder, we need to add it there. So all we're going to do is do CSS /. All right, let's test it out. There we go. Simple as that. Go through 16 symbols. Simple as that. Can you guys believe how easy that was? Through, include numbers. We'll get rid of it. Oops. Now, this is where you guys start talking to chat, and you say, chat, every time I generate password, it removes my previous selection. Let's talk to it. Every time Third option. Config. Alright, so we're going to go through and we're just going to make a simple update here. Chat needs some caffeine's kind of thinking here. Go through, we'll copy that. VS Code. Hit the form. Oops. Tell chat next time. There we go. 16. We'll include numbers now. You notice it doesn't change. There you go. Just created a password generator in 6 minutes. The accents. I wouldn't do this one unless you are in a foreign language. We just will use those accents. English language? No. So I will get rid of that. Go. Let's see. 48. See if it'll generate one. So chat actually has something to where it is a 4 through 60. One more revision. Also, SS folder. We'll just update chat, tell it where we put our CSS file, and it's going to update our code. Now you'll see chat went through and it says, hey, style sheet is reserved from CSS. Cool. And you can see chat actually went through, and this is the combinations you're going to be able to go through and use when you're generating your passwords. So you'll see all those accents in there, symbols, anything you do want to add. I mean, you could probably even do emojis if you wanted to. Highly don't recommend, but you could. Go through it, updated that. VS Code. Changes. With the form. Check that out. Now you can actually generate passwords that are up to 2048. If you wanted to go through over here to style CSS. Our max width is 400. I'm going to go through and just change it to 960. Our color here. Background color. Signature green. Perfect. Got the green tea green there. Now check this out. Oh, here, let's do one more thing here. Where's it at? Output field. Going to be 100%. Max width. Take that. I like to work in variable screen sizes. 640. Now you can go through. Eventually, I think we'll come back to this, and what we'll do is, like I said, we can add a login feature where you maybe save these and you say, this is, Green Tea's password, Facebook. Then what you do is you take this and we could say, save to this account. And essentially, you create your own password blocker. It's where you no longer have to, pay for subscription services, anything like that. This works really good if you're in an environment where you don't want to have to go through and reach out to the internet to maintain your passwords. No paranoid like me. You don't like saving your stuff in browsers. Just something nice to have, especially if you're in a development. Again, we're going to come back to this, expand on it now. Do one more pass. Do 120. Get rid of lower. Beautiful. Go through. Here, check this out. Do this. Create a copy button. That'd be pretty cool. It even says, bonus tip, you can use the modern, navigate clipboard to write text if you want. We can do that. Let's keep it simple though. Let's just go through. Boom. E. Load. Copy it. Open up a new tab here. Paste it in. Beautiful. All right. Thanks for watching.